guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look which is
very glassy, glowy and dewy looking skin. And as you can see, the focus is mostly on the eyes and on the lips, and this makeup look is very appropriate for any occasions like party, wedding functions, etc. And the main motto of this tutorial is to create a skin that will make you feel like it's glowing from within and you haven't topped it off with any extra highlighter to it.
So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching, but make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, okay? My Google Analytics says that 86 to 90% of you who watch my videos doesn't subscribe to my channel. Please do it. It's for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to me. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and it helps me a lot. So yeah, please do it if you haven't already. Please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, now let's just quickly get into the video.
Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna prep my skin with a moisturizer. I do it every day. You guys know by now a moisturizer is a must. Next up is a primer, and this one is new, by the way. I haven't used it on my channel and I don't know what it has, but when you apply it, it has a very hydrating feel to it, and I really like this primer, by the way. This is so matte. If you have oily skin, you should try it. Next up, I'm using a color corrector. Now this one is from NYX and I have used it so many times on my channel. You guys know by now this is so good. A little pricey, around 1000 rupees or so, but worth the money. If you have pigmented skin, just give it a shot. Now to get that flawless, glossy, glowy and dewy looking skin, I'm gonna use a foundation that is full coverage. I'm gonna mix 2 drops of facial oil with it, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of liquid highlighter, just a little bit, not too much. And this is the concoction that I'm gonna use all over my face. As you can see, first I'm spreading it all over my face and then I'm gonna blend it with my trusty beauty blender. Then to hide my dark circles and to highlight my face, I'm using a concealer that is close to my skin. This is gonna make my skin look even toned, but it won't feel like I have added a lot of products to my face. Now to set my T-zone area, I'm gonna use a compact, and this one is from CHAMBOR. Now this powder is so matte, so I'm just gonna set my T-zone area with it, and I'm not gonna use it all over my face. Then I'm gonna use a brow pomade to fill in my brows, followed by a brow gel just to set everything on place and so that my brows doesn't move. Moving on to my eyes, and I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. I haven't used it in a while now, so I thought of using it in today's video. To be very honest, this eyeshadow palette is nice. It comes around 500 rupees or so, and the eyeshadows are good quality. They blend really well. They are very pigmented. The one thing that I don't like is the kickback, but the colors are amazing and the pigmentation is so good, so I kinda like this palette and I recommend it. Then I used this single shadow as my eyeshadow base, and it has kind of Vaseline feeling to it and I didn't like it much. Don't buy it. Then I'm using this golden eyeshadow on top of the base and it looks beautiful, you guys. Look at that shade. It's so pretty on its own. You can leave it like that any day, but I'm gonna use another eyeshadow later on. Then I'm just intensifying the outer corners of my eyes. It looks beautiful when you add a darker looking shade on the outer corners of your eyes. And I'm just adding this beautiful color to my crease and blending everything so that everything looks seamless and blended. And I always say that blending is the key, so you must blend your eyeshadows. So always remember, guys, to achieve any beautiful eyeshadow look, no matter how many eyeshadows you are using, you must blend it, okay? Now I am adding this liquid eyeshadow on top to get some extra oomph to my eyes, and look how beautiful it looks. I love these Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadows. They are beautiful. Next I'm adding this dark brown shade on the outer corners of my eyes to intensify my eyes a little bit, and it balances everything, like it completes the eye look. Guys, I was really happy like how the eye has turned out. Then I used a cold kajal to tight line my upper lash line. This will give you an illusion of fuller looking lashes. And I used this nude pencil on my waterline. This will give you an illusion of bigger looking eyes. Then I curled my eyelashes and applied tons and tons of mascara, as I don't use false eyelashes. You can add a pair of falsies if you want, but I don't like using falsies, so I skip most of the time. Then to give some definition to my face, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution contour palette, and this is so good. The shades are perfect for Indian skin tones, and I used to use this a lot back in 2018. Then I don't know what happened and I stopped using it, but yeah, I really like this palette. Then for my blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild Apricot in the middle, so appropriate for Indian skin tone, and it has a little bit of shimmer particles in it. Wet n Wild makes amazing blushes. So guys, this is it. I'm not gonna use any extra highlighter today, so yeah. Next I'm using a setting spray to set everything on place. For my lips, I'm gonna use the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade BOHO. Such a stunning shade, appropriate for every Indian skin, no matter what skin tone you have. But this is gonna look beautiful on you, and the formula is so comfortable on your lips. I really like the Nykaa liquid lipsticks. Then I'm gonna use the Nykaa Get Set Matte Demi Matte lipstick on top, and this combo looks perfect, you guys. And I'm loving the Demi Matte lipsticks, by the way. If you guys want a review video, then definitely let me know in the comment section below, okay? So yeah guys, that's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I really like the way it has turned out. And if you like this video, if you find this video helpful, definitely let me know. Like this video, please do subscribe to my channel before you leave. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.